Yo guys, another trade recap today. This is how I won 1.4% on SPX. It was Friday, 21 July. Or no? Yeah, 21. Lol. Trade right here. And I'm gonna show you why I took this trade and how I won it. So yeah, let's do that. So let's remove all drawings. Let's go to 30-minute and let's find market open on Friday. So that's right here, 14:30. Alright, so that's how I begin my trades. Set up first the market open, New York market open. Then I look at the daily, and you can see at the daily that we're bullish. And on the 4 hour we're actually bearish. So right here is where we're bearish on the 4 hour. So when I see that we're bullish on the daily and bearish on the 4 hour, I look at the daily and know it's probably gonna be like a daily retracement. So what you do is set up equilibrium right here on the daily, then go to the 4 hour, and you can see on the 4 hour that there's a fair value gap coming in line with the daily equilibrium. So that's where I looked at it. Here's market open, so I was like 1 hour before market open. So when was I on the charge? Like, I don't know, right, like right here. And so on that line I was like at the chart, so this all happened then. So I looked at this and I saw that as I marked out that the 4 hour reacted off the daily equilibrium. So it actually did, and reacted off the fair value gap. So what I look next is the 2 hour. You can see that the 2 hour did break structure. So on the daily we're bullish, on the 4 hour we're actually bearish, but on the 2 hour we can see that we're actually bullish again and reacted off this fair value gap on the daily. So that's giving me confirmation that the 4 hour is gonna have a break of structure soon, probably. So even though the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bearish, but I can see the 2 hours already bullish, and it's probably going to be a 4 hour bullish as well. That's why I took a bullish trade. So most of the time I only take a bullish trade if the daily is in line with the 4 hour, but you can mark it out like this as well. So that's why I took a bullish trade. So I had that marked out. Then I go into the 30-minute, and then on the 30-minute I mark out stuff that's it's giving me confirmation that it's gonna be going to the upside. So what I do is I mark out 30-minute lows. So right here, there's a 30-minute low. You can see there's a lot of 30 minutes low, but I still do it anyway. So there's one, there's one, but you can see, oh, a tick hit though. All right, so those are all the lows. It's probably gonna be taken out. Then I look if there's more, and you can see that nothing else really here. There's a fair value gap here, but I already marked it out on the 4 hours, so that's fine. Then I go to the 50-minute, and yeah, you can see right here. Oh, you can see right here that market took out this liquidity, then went up. That's the reaction of the fair value gap. So what this actually is probably a order block. So swap liquidity on the left, then wait for a break of structure, that is like right here. So that's where it broke structure. So right there, trigger to the right, and you can see it right there as well. So we have now, we're rating on this. This is what we have. This is when I was looking at the chart. So this all comes in line. So daily retracement or 4 hour, daily retracement, 4 hour break of structure. We take a bullish trade. Then I mark out 30 minutes lows. and know that's probably gonna react off those lows and then go up even more. And yeah, that's only 50-minute, and then I have that marked out, and then I look at the 5-minute and see if we like missed anything. Like probably not, because we had bigger time frames, but you can see that market is there right now. I replayed it, but you can see market went down here. All right, so remove this, because this for market open, this for we look at. You can see market did like nothing up there, but all right, on the 5-minute you can see maybe only 50-minute as well. This is before market open. So what I have marked out too as well is these, so equilibrium of this, and it's going to be under equilibrium. You can see there's a fair value gap right here, but you always have to take the fair value gap that's under equilibrium, so that's this one. So I had this marked out as well. Not even that one, but I actually could, but I know if it's gonna peek into that, that's even more confirmation, and a breaker structure, that's gonna be more confirmation. But I had that marked out as well. That's only 5-minute, and that comes in line with like 5-minute low right here, because you can see this is a, oh, it isn't low, but it comes in line with that. Probably just this is enough. Then I go to the 1-minute, wait for market open, and you can see all these lows that we marked out. We don't even have to have this, because that's a 4-hour equilibrium touch that already got reacted off. So 30-minute lows that we marked out. This is also equilibrium of the 4-hour. That's doesn't really matter anymore. So 30-minute lows is all I have with the 50-minute order block. So then I zoom in, I wait for market open, and I was hoping that it would react off this this 50-minute for value gap with the equilibrium. So when you see here, it did, but right here never gave break of structure. You see, it's obvious, but you can see that it never candle close above there, so no trade yet. Then we wait. You can see right here, 30-minute low gets taken out, but there's no break of structure yet. It goes on, so remove that. Oh, wait, what did I? Yeah, you can all delete this because it went over this, so delete that. You see 30-minute low gets hit right there, but does nothing. You see it went onto the next 30-minute low, and you can see there that it never broke structure here again. So right there, I never broke structure, so no trade yet. Then it went down again, and it's still this liquidity sweep, it's not this one, so it's still reacting off this because it never reached this. So it oh no, it got onto this 30-minute low, and what we had here was a breaker structure. So what I did, enter off the breaker structure. Fill is going to be probably like right here, or maybe even down more, I don't even remember. Some meta trader, but I don't want to open the app and destroy this recording. And then the first take profit I had is these, because if you zoom out right here, you can see these are 50-minute fair value gaps. So what you could have done is actually right here, fair value gap right there, fair value gap right there. And equilibrium is a bit awkward right here, because this is the low, this is the high, and you can see that it already went into there. So what you could have done, or what I did, was just went onto this 20-minute. And if you don't have the paid version of TradingView, you don't have the 20-minute probably, I think, I don't even know, but it's right here, it comes in line. But I just had it like these two, I think. Wasn't clean, doesn't look clean, but I still had it right there. And then I just looked for lows that, or highs that comes in line with this, and you can actually see that it's a 3-minute high, not a 5-minute high, but a 3-minute high, and these are equal highs. So what price is probably going to do, like with the retail traders that trade support and resistance, you can see that I don't trade. That's strategy, of course, but I don't know, I just use it for take profit sometimes. That's why I learned through backtesting, and it works and it makes sense, right? Like price pushed into here, but it couldn't get through that price, so that's exactly what it did here again. So what you could have done is probably took this as a first take profit, so that's what I did. So that comes in line with like the highs, so that's the first thing you're gonna do, like target the first highs that come in line. So I had that as well. So first take profit, 3-minute high, 1-minute high. Not really, it is a 1-minute high, but there are more, but just a 3-minute high because it comes in line with this with these for value gaps, and yeah, for value gaps and equilibrium. If you look at the 5-minute or 3-minute, I think. So right here to right there, yeah, it comes in line with the 3-minute equilibrium of there. So that's one as well. That's first take profit. Why not target this as first take profit, or this? Because yeah, why not? Because probably because you're asking like, oh, this doesn't even reach the 50%, so isn't that safer as first take profit? Yeah, it is, but I don't know, this was enough confidence for me because it reacted off this order block, reacted off this 30-minute liquidity sweep, and probably even more lows right here. Look, like went all the way to like these lows. So that's a like maybe 50-minute liquidity sweep as well. Like, yeah, right here. So that's a 50-minute low. Maybe that's 50-minute. I think this one. Yeah, I reacted off that, and that gave me enough confidence that it's probably gonna go for it at least these highs. So that was first take profit, and then second take profit was I don't even know. Well, I think this one, because I want to play it safe. So that one, a second, and then like all the way up there again. Like, I don't know where I had it, but it was much further because it never hit, so I don't even remember. But that's what my take profits were. And what market did is it gave the break structure, so that's where we entered. And what it did, it went up. Not even took out this liquidity, but it went down for some reason. Maybe it was, yeah, I don't even know, but we were in the trade, so that doesn't matter. So what it did is it went up, then went down really close to take profit. Take profit was like I use 800 pips, so it was like right under here. It's like 800 here, so at least 800 maybe. I don't know, MetaTrade is weird. I had it under here. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, I don't even know. So like under there. But yeah, what it did is it went down really close to like losing the trade, then went up again. And what it did here is touch the take profit. I actually got filled right there, or I got filled. I got my take profit there. I don't know what market really did, but it only touched it, never went through it. But you would have actually, if you didn't got a take profit right there, eventually you would have got it, and then went down all the way. So you can see that only reacted off the first take profit. So that's really nice. Really weird that market didn't went up further. I don't know why, but I'm glad I got my take profit there. But I don't know why market didn't went further. Maybe wanted to fill more orders deeper into the fair value gap, so probably it's gonna head lower than maybe up. I don't know yet, but that's the trade we took Friday, and we got a win. So 1.4% win on this, and yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's all. I'm gonna be trading. Let's see if you guys can see this. Where is it? Right here. Yeah, you guys can see. All right, so today it's Monday already. It's late. But yeah, PMI. I don't really know what that does to the market yet, so I'm gonna keep an eye on the market. It's 50-minute into market open, so probably not gonna take a trade into the first 50 minutes. Probably gonna wait till like when market is normal after this time, so like maybe 4 p.m. or something in my time. Yeah, so probably I'm gonna be trading tomorrow. I don't know what that does to the market yet, but it isn't one of the 4 pairs TJR gave us that is really affecting the market. So I don't know what to expect yet, but I'm gonna take notes of what it does to the market and how aggressive this is gonna be. So we'll look into it tomorrow. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you had something. Yeah, I hope you learned from this video. I don't know, I learned from it. Yeah. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.